Hey viewers, welcome back to Pig Farming Jamaica 876. Welcome back to a brand new day and also a brand new video. We are here heading to the farm right about now to get some work done. Farmer is there bringing some lots, and we're just here waiting for the truck to come to bring us up to the farm. We also went to the farm stores to get some feeding and such. It's a very beautiful day. And there goes the truck, and let's go to the farm right about now. Alright guys, so just get back to the farm today. Treading by because they wet up. We're going to have to start to heist the water pond so that it doesn't get wet. That is them. The boys bringing over feeding to the storehouse. This is how the feeder is looking. So we start buying JF meals, guys. We're gonna mix the JF meals with the regular Nutra mix. We have this one in. This big pig came over and let the weaners that we put in yesterday out. So we have to do that all over again today. Look at how farmer did this laying up so good yesterday, and for some reason the big white pig is afraid of this one, so she's gonna fight all the way to escape. So she's into the weaners pen. All the weaners are out milking, and they are sucking breast. So we have a problem right now. Look at Bentley eating the bag feeding. Well, it's not poor, so it's not getting any, but he loves bag feeding. Alright guys, so I'm going to check up on our 2 newborns. I hope they are dry today because we put some dry grass in yesterday. So let's see how they're looking. That is them right here. They're looking amazing. They're sleeping and they're dry. Alright. We're gonna get some pens clean and feed some sows and one grand and some baby piglets. Alright, so water ponds are filled with water and hypervit. We also put in some fresh cardboard just now. We're gonna refill their ponds with feeding, and we're gonna heist the water pan. Going to get some chicken feeding. Guys, look at how our storehouse is looking. We tie off all the corner, and we also put on a door. We're gonna see if we can make it look a bit more organized. Okay. Going back outside. Doing back the work all over again. this is her to clean. Maybe I can see the blue on it, that's clean powder. Hope it come on pretty soon. That is her. Hope I like it better soon. So we are onto cleaning the last pen. They only use one part for feces. It's not looking bad. Alright, time to give them some feeding. Look at this hog, guys. They're in pasture. They're so dirty. And they have that fat sow. Just two of them is out here. I believe that sow is from our farm. And he's out here with his lover. They're enjoying the muck and the mud. This brand kind of reminds me of our brand that we butchered a few months ago. Even though butch was a bit bigger. Typical pasture pigs. Like over here was looking very green and lush a few months ago, but you know, they always say that if you want a place to plow down, just put some pig on the land, and that's exactly what would happen. Let's get back over to Pig Farming JA to feed some pigs. The guys can hear them, and I'm a good distance away. The boys are in the storehouse making the feeding, mixing the feeding, using the JF Mills and Nutramix Pig Grower, because you know the JF Mills doesn't have a lot of nutrients in as how the Nutramix. So, and the JF Mills feeding is also cheaper, and it's 100 pounds versus the Nutramix is 50 pounds. The big grains are JF Mills. Alright, baby piglet getting feeding, day 2. Alright, so we're not going to give the piglet the JF Mills feeding. Oh no. As I was saying, we're not going to give this piglet the JF Mills feeding, we're going to give them the straight Nutramix. That one is not in their bottle. Let's put him in just the same because he's on the same size. But the guys can see his skin texture is different from the others. Just let him guys in. Alright. Nutramix, the big feed for the babies. Look at that, oh, that one at the end is shiny. water drum is cooled up. All of the Pigfarming JA pigs and piglets have been fed. See you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and leave a like and also a subscribe before you go. Bye bye.